Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install the software for your Logitech Wave Keys keyboard. In order to do it, go to your browser. So I'm gonna open a new window and then I'm gonna search for Logitech. I'm gonna provide a description down below, but let's find Logitech Wave Keys. Downloads. Then I'm gonna go here. By the way, this tutorial is for Windows, so if you have macOS, there is a video on our channel on how to connect it with macOS, but if you want to connect it with Windows, then you may want to follow this tutorial. So now I'm on the website. I can just select the Windows version in 11 or 10. I have Windows 10, so I'm gonna stick with it. Then click on download now. It'll download this file. So now you go ahead and open it. Then click on Install Options Plus. So this file, I didn't show you that, it was here. So it was installed here, so I could click on that. Or instead I could go to the File Explorer, and in the File Explorer go to the Downloads folder, and I'll see it here. Although now the file is installed, so I'm gonna go to the Start menu and open it, or actually it has opened itself automatically. So I'm gonna just click on Yes Please, then you can log in or skip. I'm gonna skip that part. Then I'm gonna move my keyboard in here, make it smaller. Then you can see I have two keyboards, so I'm gonna click on this one. Then I'm gonna skip the tutorial because I know everything about this app. And here in the keys, you can customize your keys. In the easy switch, you can see which devices are connected. Also, you can see some of them are connected via Bluetooth, some via Bolt receiver. So this is how it works. And here are settings. So you can just like update firmware version or anything else. You can disable some keys as well. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.